Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a small little Etsy purchase that I wanted to show y'all. And this is from Pelhuaz Planner. And it says, Tammy, thank you so much for your order and for supporting my small business. And then it's just a really cute little thank you card. Thank you for that. And I just got a couple of things. They were having a little sale, so I did take advantage of the sale. Looks like I got just 3 little items, but Pelhuaz Planner. And I got an exclusive freebie for Planner Extravaganza. Look how cute that is. These are glossy. I like the little dog. And then here is the January freebie. Wow, how cool. And I got this one, which is Happy Birthday, and it's in purples obviously, but it's just got 2 full boxes, and I thought this might be fun for my traveler's notebook. Actually, I don't think I purchased that one. I think these were freebies because I didn't purchase this. How cool. So I got this one and this one as a freebie too. It's like she's Superwoman or something. How cute. These are the ones that I purchased. So I purchased this birthday one. I was thinking I purchased a birthday one, but this one's cute, but this one's cuter. I think I like this one a little better. So it's got this little girl and it says, Happy Birthday, Gorgeous. I thought that would be fun to put on your birthday or on a birthday. And this one too, isn't that cute? I love this one too. And then this one says, I already want to take a nap tomorrow. And that one was Mom Nap Time Stickers was the name of it. So I thought that was funny. So just cute. And they were pretty inexpensive. And I think they are awesome. And gosh, I got lots of freebies. So that was really great purchase. Thanks guys. I hope that you check her out. I will leave her link below. And if I forget by any chance, please remind me and I will be happy to link it so that you can check her shop out too. Thank you. Bye-bye.